If Walmart isn't sending your two-factor authentication code, the problem is usually an incorrect phone number, delayed carrier delivery, email filtering, or a temporary issue with Walmart's verification system rather than your account being locked. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get the verification code delivered and what to do if it never arrives. Start by confirming where Walmart is supposed to send the code. Depending on your account settings, the verification may be sent by text message or email. Make sure you're checking the correct phone number or email address before requesting another code. If you're waiting for a text message, verify that your phone has a cellular signal. SMS verification codes won't arrive if your device has no service or is in airplane mode. If possible, send yourself a regular text from another phone to confirm your carrier is receiving messages. Avoid requesting the code repeatedly. Sending multiple requests in a short period can delay or invalidate previous codes. Request one code, wait a few minutes, and then try again if nothing arrives. If you're expecting an email, check your spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. Some email providers automatically filter verification emails away from your main inbox. Search your inbox for Walmart to make sure the message wasn't filed somewhere unexpected. Next, restart your phone and request a new code. A simple reboot can reconnect your device to your carrier's network and resolve delayed text message delivery. If the code still doesn't arrive, try signing in from Walmart's website instead of the mobile app. Sometimes the issue is limited to one platform, and the website may offer another verification option. Another good step is updating the Walmart app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. If the app is already current, close it completely and reopen it before requesting another verification code. Double-check that the phone number on your Walmart account is current. If you've changed your number recently and never updated your account, the verification code may be going to your old device. If you've enabled spam filtering through your mobile carrier, verification text can occasionally be blocked. Temporarily disabling message filtering or checking your carrier's blocked message settings may help. If none of these steps work, contact Walmart customer care. They can confirm whether your account has a verification issue and help you regain access using available account recovery options. The fastest fixes are confirming the correct phone number or email, waiting before requesting another code, checking spam folders, testing the website, and updating the Walmart app. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.